Everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix can't add cards to Samsung Wallet in 2025. If you cannot add cards to Samsung Wallet in 2025, this is what you should do. First, you should check Samsung Wallet compatibility. Ensure your phone model supports Samsung Wallet. For example, Samsung S21 or newer Galaxy Z Fold or Flip series. Then verify your country or region that allows card additions. Samsung Wallet isn't available everywhere. Step 2 is to update Samsung Wallet and phone software. Open Galaxy Store and tap on Update Samsung Wallet. You will see Samsung Wallet there, you see the update next to it, tap on it to update it. Next, you go to Settings and then tap on Software Update. Download the latest firmware. The next step you can take is to verify card eligibility. How? Only supported banks or issuers work, so check Samsung's official list. Then you can use prepaid or gift cards. But don't forget that prepaid and gift cards may not be supported, so you can check for their eligibility with Samsung wallets. Next, you can clear Samsung Wallet cache. How? Go to the settings, tap on apps, tap on Samsung Wallet and tap on storage. Then lastly, tap on clear cache. Then you restart your phone and retry adding the card again. Step 5 is to remove and reinstall Samsung Wallet. You can uninstall updates via settings, tap on apps, tap on Samsung Wallet, tap on the three dots menu and tap on uninstall updates. Then you can reinstall from Galaxy Store. Step 6 is to check for conflicting apps by disabling VPNs, firewalls or ad blockers. Those interfere with Samsung Wallet. Then you can temporarily uninstall other payment apps like Google Wallet if you have it on your phone or your device. Step 7 is to contact your bank. Some banks block digital wallet enrollments by default, so call them to verify mobile wallet transactions are enabled and to remove any pending activation blocks on your card. Step 8. Try manual entry versus camera scan. If the camera scan fails, manually enter card details. Then you can ensure the card number, expiring date and CVV are correct. Step 9 is factory reset. This should be a last resort. For you to do this, please back up your data first. Then tap on Settings, tap on General Management, tap on Reset, and tap on Factory Reset. Then you have to set up Samsung Wallet before restoring other apps. Step 10 is to report to Samsung support. If the issue persists, use Samsung Members app. Tap on Get Help and submit error logs. Hope you found this video helpful.